Greetings once more. My name is Oscar Kibet. Today I'm going to teach you how we do knottings on the corners of our cane on wrought furniture. So what you need first is the flat cane, which is this one. Yeah, you need it like slightly that long. Then from there you soak it in water for roughly approximately 2 to 3 minutes. This one you had already soaked it before. So thereafter, what you do, now you start. When you weave, the most important thing that you have to do is to make sure there's a V shape there, and it has to be as tight as possible. Then you go like this, just go like that. Go under, go there, go under, go this way again. You have to make sure you maintain the same pattern to give it a V kind of look. Then you go here, go on top of it, go under. Make sure you have a cross. You can see there's a cross there. Go like that. Make sure you have it as tight as possible, and there should be no spaces on this side. Then you go like that. Slowly by slowly like that. Again, make sure the pattern is there. You can see V-shaped kind of pattern is like a cross. Go like that. Again like that. It should be as tight as possible. Again slowly like that. Like that. Always make sure the cane is as wet as possible to prevent breakages. You can see now it's slowly taking shape. Go there again. Now you can see we are about to finish. So most importantly, this is what you do. Come here and you make your knot there. Again, make sure it's as tight as possible. There you go. Now you can see we have a very beautiful knot here. Yeah. So thanks so much for watching. I'll continue to post this kind of videos to create an awareness and help you people learn a few of our skills. Thanks so much, and God bless.